Driving through junctions is a frequent yet challenging occurrence as the driver has to observe for many things simultaneously. The objective of the video is to enhance your knowledge of how to pass through junctions safely. This video will demonstrate about traffic light and the priority at junctions. There are two types of junctions, namely controlled junctions and uncontrolled junctions. Controlled junctions are junctions where there are either traffic lights, traffic signs, or road markings. Uncontrolled junctions are junctions where there are no traffic lights or traffic signs or road markings. As you are approaching junctions controlled by traffic lights, you should always reduce your speed. If the traffic lights are green in your favor, you should reduce your speed in anticipation that the traffic lights may turn amber. If the traffic lights are red, you will need to bring the car to a stop. At controlled junctions, the priority of travel is determined by the traffic lights, traffic signs, and road markings. You have priority to drive through the junction only if the above are in your favor. For example, if the traffic lights are green in your favor, you can drive through the junction ahead of those vehicles for whom the traffic lights are red. At uncontrolled junctions, the priority of travel is determined by the giveaway rules. You have priority to drive through the junction only if the above are in your favor. Under the giveaway rules, if you are going straight, you must give way to vehicles going straight from your left and right. If you are turning left, you must give way to vehicles going straight from your right. If you are turning right, you must give way to all vehicles that may come into your path of travel. While driving through junctions, you may encounter pedestrians at the pedestrian crossing. At the pedestrian crossing, pedestrians have the right of way. Be patient and give pedestrians more time to cross if needed. When making a 90-degree left turn, turn at low speed at all times. Depress the accelerator to increase your speed and depress the foot brake to reduce your speed. Now that you have completed the video, please answer the quiz questions that follow. There will be 5 multiple choice questions. After the questions and options are shown, you will be given 5 seconds to answer each question. Quiz questions. 1. Which of the below statements about driving through junctions is true? A. At uncontrolled junction, the priority of travel depends on the road markings. B. There are 3 types of junctions. C. At junctions, the driver has to look out for different types of road users at the same time. C. At junctions, the driver has to look out for different types of road users at the same time. 2. You are approaching a junction where the traffic light is green. What should you do? A. Slow down in anticipation that the traffic lights may change to red. B. Speed up to pass the junction before the traffic light changes to red. C. Honk to alert other motorists of your presence. A. Slow down in anticipation that the traffic lights may change to red. 3. Which of the below is a type of junction? A. Semi-controlled junctions. B. Controlled junctions. C. Discretionary junctions. B. Controlled junctions. 4. You are turning left at an uncontrolled junction. Which of the below cars have the right of way? A. Vehicles from your right going straight. B. Vehicles from your left going straight. C. Oncoming vehicles going straight. A. Vehicles from your right going straight. 5. You are at a pedestrian crossing. The red man traffic signal is showing. However, there are some children who are still crossing the road. What should you do? A. Sound your horn to get the children to hurry up. B. Flash your headlights to alert the children of your presence. C. Be patient and allow the children more time to cross. C. Be patient